Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about phonemes and graphemes. These two phonics terms may seem fancy and overwhelming, but they are really simple. We just need to remember that phonemes are nothing but sounds. Graphemes are the spellings, that is the visual representation of the sound. For example, let's take a word cat. This has three sounds, k, a, t. So the sounds k, the hard C sound, a, short vowel sound, and the t sound are the phonemes in this word. The visual representation, that is C, A, T, is the graphemes in this word. So this graphemes can be either a letter, single letter like this, or it can be a group of letters. Like digraph, trigraph, or even it can be grapheme with more letters. Let's see few examples. Let's take the word shut. Here sound is made by the grapheme sh. So it is this is a digraph and it is a two-letter grapheme. Digraph and two-letter grapheme. Night. Here I n, this igh produces the sound I t. So this igh is the trigraph. It is a three-letter grapheme, which makes the phoneme I. This do has the four-letter grapheme OUGH, which makes the sound O. Another thing to note is that a phoneme can be represented by many different graphemes. For example, let's take the phoneme, that is the sound k that we hear in the cat, k. This is represented by this is the phoneme. This sound, the k sound, is here also heard in duck, k, but here the grapheme is ck. In cat the grapheme is C. In king the grapheme is K. For the same phoneme k sound, it is K here. And in the word chemistry, CH is the grapheme which makes the sound K. Thus a single phoneme can have multiple graphemes. Hope you are clear with this concept. It is as simple as that. Phonemes are sounds and graphemes are the visual representation of the phonemes, that is the spelling.